Introducing the Project Manager, a new agent that automates project and task management. Start by creating a new plan and then selecting Plan with Project Manager. Give the plan a name and share it with the group. Now it's time to set the goal for the project. Think of this like a well-crafted prompt that AI will use to create relevant tasks to complete the project successfully. The more descriptive and specific, the better. You can even add relevant files to the plan to provide key information and context. Then click Generate Tasks, and the project manager instantly creates a task list tailored to this goal. Yes, it's that easy. When the team wants to brainstorm, they can use the Microsoft Whiteboard app right within the plan, allowing them to stay in the flow of work. As sticky notes are added, they can be converted into tasks, which automatically adds and updates the plan. Tasks can also be added manually or through the drop-down menu and assigned to team members or the project manager for completion. You can track the project manager's progress on tasks in the board view. Sometimes the project manager may need more input. When it does, it places the task in the Needs Your Input bucket. By clicking on the task, you can open the loop component and provide feedback. Simply click Regenerate, and the project manager executes the next steps. Multiple team members can also leave feedback on completed tasks. All feedback is captured live within the loop component. After making the necessary updates, click Regenerate, and the project manager takes care of the rest. Changes happen to any project. When they do, the project manager makes adjusting your plan easy. Simply update the goal and click Regenerate Tasks to instantly refresh the project plan. As your project progresses, you can review the project manager's recent activity on the Project Manager page, ensuring everything stays on track. Want the project manager to handle it all to get work done faster? On the Project Manager page, just click on the Assign All Tasks to Project Manager button. With the Project Manager, you're not just managing tasks, you're empowering your team to collaborate and execute more effectively, keeping your projects on course and on time.